motivation when you are unmotivated. Let's begin by taking a moment to settle your body into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft focus looking downward a few feet in front of you. Allow your spine to lift and for your shoulders to soften. Today, we will practice remembering motivation. Taking a full breath in and a long, slow breath out. Allow the mind to rest on a breath. Call to mind something where you might be feeling a lack of motivation. Perhaps it's with a task at work or a project you have been putting off at home. Maybe it's repairing a relationship issue with a friend or family member. As you envision this issue, listen to this question slightly and see what comes up. There is no need to figure out anything out. If nothing comes to mind, just continue to focus on the breath and notice what thoughts arise, letting them pass through your mind as if carried by a gentle breeze. Ask yourself, when it comes to this issue, what is my greatest aspiration? What about this issue is most important to me? What might be getting in the way of me addressing this issue? How do I want to show up in a relationship to this issue? Notice how you feel when you consider these questions, the specific sensations in your body. And again, there is nothing to figure out here. Just notice what comes up for you as you ask these questions. If this issue was in progress or completed, what would that mean to me? If this issue was in progress or completed, what would that feel like? See if you can really feel that feeling, allowing yourself to fully absorb it. As you experience these feelings of accomplishment, consider how you can access this place again the next time you face this issue. How can you use these feelings as a source of focus? Can these feelings serve as a motivation for you to engage? And finally, ask yourself, what is my intention going forward? And now, let's finish with a full deep breath in and a long, slow breath out.